National Weather Service in Milwaukee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, west central Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, central Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin until 11 p.m. At 10:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Delavon Lake, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, East Troy, Williams Bay, Delavon Lake, Walworth, Silver Lake, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Darien, Kell Lake, Powers Lake, Honors Lake, Como, Potter Lake, Browns Lake, Burlington, Delavon, Springfield, Honey Creek, and New Munster. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.